I'm Councillor Graham Rees, Common County Borough Council Cabinet Member responsible for tourism, marketing and leisure, and I'm the lead member on the Parc Eirias project, this facility you can see behind me. We have a scheme called Bay Life, which was to regenerate the area of Colwyn Bay. The whole cost of the scheme was about £6.5 million. Part of the European Structural Fund is that we had to provide 12 jobs on this new facility, but it far exceeds that, there's no doubt about that. We decided to build Parc Eirias to encourage the community to come along. It's not just a rugby stadium as people seem to perceive. We have athletics, we have disabled athletes here. We've got Celtic Games scheduled for August on this particular facility. It's very, very well used, and I think it's appreciated not just by the residents of Colwyn Bay, but also the local businesses, which seem to generate a lot of resource and income for them when there's an event on here.
I'm Teresa Cornell, I'm Chair of Colwyn Chamber of Trade in Colwyn Bay. Having the investment into Parc Eirias has really helped Colwyn Bay. It's helped instill business confidence, it's helped bring people new jobs, and it will create more confidence in the future. It's an upward spiral. Colwyn Bay's got a new sense of identity. We're once again on the map, both as a destination for people to come to and also for tourism. Hotels are full, people are buzzing, cafes are buzzing. It certainly needed the investment.
This weekend, the story of Wales starts in the north. The seniors are looking to close in on Grand Slam glory in the south on Saturday, but tonight the under-20s kick off the action in Colwyn Bay.
I'm Wendy Wilson. I'm the proprietor of the Marine Hotel in Old Colwyn. I've been here for 24 years. There's lots going on in Eirias Park, and we're the closest pub to it, so obviously we're the first port of call. We've had a marked increase in trade when the rugby's on. That's been a real big boost to us. We've also had the Ollie Murs concert last year. That was a real big boost that weekend. We hope that they're going to build on this Eirias Park. It's a great asset for the area.
There's definitely an Eirias factor in Colwyn Bay. For example, at the International Rugby Series last November, £225,000, £250,000 was invested in the area. Of course, there's the feel-good factor as well. Fabulous for the local community to be on television, the lamp column banners, the ground graphics, they all help to develop a community feel-good factor. In turn, that also benefits us when we're trying to attract investors into the town. They will see this, it will raise the profile of Colwyn Bay, and that is a huge part of what we're trying to do in the town.